Alright, the 2004 blizzard, just before dark. This is part 3. There's some people walking. That's where I was at earlier, over there at the garbage dumpsters. I wanted you to look at the snow that's accumulated on the pine trees here. You can see I got my window open. Look at the big drift on the window here. That's about 8 inches. So this is we're going on the 3rd day of snow. That's all it's done is snow. Down there's the sidewalk. That's the street I was out in earlier. You can see this tree here. So yeah, the big blizzard of 2014 has arrived. Thanks for watching.